and we are here for the groundbreaking of what are going to be 80 converted units from an old office building into affordable family housing. Yeah, so Telestar Court is pretty exciting. It's the first time we've been able to do a project that's going to convert empty office, underutilized office, into affordable workforce housing. At a time when office is really struggling, we and the Housing Commission have looked across the county to see about conversions, and really they're quite tricky. Even this one is going to be a challenge to do. And so this is the first, but hope to see others where the building makes sense, where the financing is able to happen, and where the partners are able to come together like they did here to convert this building into much needed residential right here in the heart of Fairfax County.
You actually have to just take it back to the real estate fundamentals. Does this project work as a market rate property? Would this project work as a slightly more affordable property? Deep affordability, all things are on the table, but you have to get those fundamental economics right early on.
And this one in particular is special for a lot of reasons, not only because it's the county's first affordable office to affordable housing conversion, and we've done a lot of conversions in the county, office to housing, but this is the first one that has such a large component of affordable housing in a major undertaking, and I think will absolutely pave the way for more opportunities. The central theme we all realize is the creativity that makes each one of these deals work.
So when we first start talking to developers or potential partners about projects like this, we look at their model, we want to understand the sources that they're bringing. So the project standing here behind me is able to be a refurbish or a conversion, in part because of its bones. We did look really closely at whether we should tear this down. Would it make more sense to do an entirely new construction? It's almost always cheaper to convert a property than it is to build new. Can the project have new floors, new windows, all new systems, new HVAC, support 24-hour use, unlike an office building? 8 or 9 hour uses a day. This project will have residents all day. What was a great conference room right behind me, that's going to be a gorgeous bedroom one day for someone with great light and full windows. We're ripping out all the physical systems of what was a medical office building. We don't need an MRI machine, we need bedrooms.